Welcome back, everyone, to another deep dive. Today, we're looking at something, well, really quite fascinating. It's a personal review called Lavender Essential Oil, a wellness essential. And our mission today is basically to unpack why this reviewer felt it was such a must-have. I
Mhm.
have to say, I'm really intrigued by this idea that just one oil can potentially cover so many bases: relaxation, sleep, even skin stuff.
Absolutely. And it's a great opportunity to connect that kind of firsthand practical experience, what someone actually did, to the bigger picture of how these simple, natural tools can genuinely fit into our wellness routines. It's interesting to see how one single thing can potentially tick so many boxes for well-being.
Okay, let's get into it then. The review kicks off with something really immediate: the soothing aroma. They describe it as, let's see, pure, calming, and not overly artificial. That last part seems important.
Very important. Authenticity in scent is key for many.
And they said, just a few drops in my diffuser instantly creates a relaxing spa-like atmosphere. It sounds like an immediate switch up for the room's vibe.
It really does. And, there's solid science behind that. Our sense of smell, our olfactory system, it's wired directly into the brain's limbic system. That's the part dealing with emotions, memory.
Oh, right.
So when you smell something pure like lavender, which has compounds like linalool and linyl acetate, it's not just pleasant. It's actually engaging those deep parts of the brain. It can literally trigger a physiological calming response, maybe even lower stress hormones.
Wow, okay. So that pure smell is the foundation. But what really jumped out at me was the effect on improved sleep. The reviewer shared this really simple method: just adding 2, 3 drops to my pillow at night.
Simple is often best.
And the result: they claim they fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more rested.
Hmm.
I mean, anyone who struggles with sleep would probably love that.
Oh, definitely. Good sleep is just so fundamental, isn't it? For energy, for mood, for overall health. And this shows how a small, consistent ritual, like adding a specific scent before bed, can really signal to your body, okay, it's time to wind down now. It cues that transition.
It's pretty amazing.
Hmm.
But it doesn't stop there. The versatility is quite something. They also found it great for skin. They mentioned mixing it with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil.
That's important, the dilution.
Right. And using that mix to soothe minor skin irritations or even calm redness after shaving. That's quite a range,
Mm.
from mood and sleep to